Hi and welcome to Math Tutorial Sessions. In this video, we need to simplify 2 to the power 2025 plus 2 to the power 2024 all over 2 to the power 2026 minus 2 to the power 2020. Here, we can write 2025. We can write 2025 as 2 to the power 20 times 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power, we can write 2024 as 2 to the power 20 times 2 to the power 4 all over. We can write 2026 as 2 to the power 20 times 2 to the power 6 minus 2 to the power 20. Right. Now we have a highest common factor in the numerator, which is 2 to the power 20. Then we have, why I'm writing 5 now? Why I write 5? Why I write 5? I don't know why I like 5. Right. Okay. We will in the numerator. In the numerator we have 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 4 all over. In the denominator there is also a highest common factor, which is 2 to the power 20. Then in brackets we have 2 to the power 6 minus 1, then 2 to the power 2020 will divide each other, then 2 to the power 5 is 82 plus 16 all over 64 minus 1. Right. That is equals to 32 plus 16, that is 48 over 64 minus 1, that is 63. If we simplify this, 48 divided by 63, there is 16 over 21. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you do subscribe to Math Tutorial Sessions and also hit the notification bell below in order to get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Goodbye, viewers.